Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the calculator is clear. Remove any lingering entries so results aren't contaminated. Next, type the exact value you want to analyze, for example 100 or 0. 0, 1, because log base 10 responds to the numeric input. If your value is an expression, evaluate or enclose it in parentheses first so the calculator computes that expression prior to applying the log. Once done, you're ready to call the log function itself. You now use the log key. Locate the button labeled log or log 10 on your scientific calculator. Depending on the model, either press the number then log, or press log then type the number. Both produce the base 10 logarithm once executed. Press equals when required and watch the display. You should see the operation written as log number or the numerical output immediately. Make sure the calculator is in standard mode, because mode changes won't affect base 10 logs, but can alter input behavior. You finish by interpreting the result. For instance, log 10, 100, gives 2 because 10 squared equals 100, and log 10, 0. 0, 1 gives negative 2 since it's 100th. If you see an error, remember base 10 log is undefined for 0 or negative inputs, so correct the value accordingly. If outputs look wrong, clear the calculator, re-enter the expression with parentheses, verify you used the correct log key, and try again. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.